Hello there everyone, welcome to a new video, and today we are going to be doing a standard install of Windows 98. Now, I know that I've done a video before, but that video's gone, and well, I kind of want to restart with a more proper install. If you're not wondering, don't worry, that video's been long ditched. It was originally an upgrade fest, but it devolved. So now we are going to do a actual 98 SE install. Yes, enable. And what we're going to do is we are going to just install 98. Downright. We're going to install the drivers, and that's pretty much it. Nothing new. This might be boring, but I mean, we might do a simple networking. That would be fun. So initially the video started off with me trying to install 7.10 and upgrade all the way to 98, but then I just got this weird error with COM DLL, and apparently it was an error with COM DLL, something like that. And well, let's just say I ended up nuking the hard drive. Well, not really, but to say the least, the fate of that virtual machine was not too good, to say the least. Why don't they allow you to have games installed? Like, come on. We're gonna do a full install, and this is like 98, so there shouldn't be anything. Okay. Guess we're not able to install that. Guess we're not able to install that. Yeah, that's great, which means it's not necessarily sure why it doesn't allow you to do that. Startup disk. We do not have one. We will not make one. And that's pretty much it. So I think I want to start off with this. So basically the video started out with me trying out to see if I can install 7.10, then upgrade to 95, to 3.1, to 95, to 98 FE, then to 98 SE. The thing is, the result was 2222A, which was the release date for RT for Windows 98 SE. Problem is, problems started occurring with 3.1, where apparently I figured out that it wasn't too happy with RAM more than 256, which honestly made a couple of sense. But I swore that I did try more and 3.1 just accepted it. Unless that was like luck. The other thing is, Alright, after that, 95 just didn't want to work. So I just skipped to 98 since that gave you the ability to upgrade from 3.1. Which was weird, but okay. Um, and I think if I'm right, which is weird. So funny thing is, I wasn't able to get 98 running on a virtual. I was able to get 98 FE, but I wasn't able to get 98 FE running with sound. But 98 FE was completely kosher, installing sound, which is weird. So it's either an issue with 98 FE's drivers, because MJD, this guy, he made a video about the whole issue. I think the 98 SE drivers worked, but not the 98 FE. Could you consider 98 SE its own operating system? Because really 98 SE is like this twin that just seems better than its older counterpart. Also, when it restarts, I'm gonna try in a safe mode so I can. Yes, safe mode, because there is a glitch with Windows 98 and its protected drivers. If I'm right, the 32-bit ones are the issue. Can you can I think it's running. We're gonna give it a minute. You know, I have a cat that's giving me attention. And it display properties. That's a bit weird. Okay, we're just gonna hit apply. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's what we want. We want artist. How do I no file system? Troubleshooting. Disable 32-bit protected mode drivers. This is what we want. That's what we want. Because the drivers, it doesn't like it. So it's going to want to do that. We're going to want to do that. We want to do that. We want to do that. It's going to scan for files. Okay, it's here. Okay, let's browse. That's not good. Alright, let's suspend the virtual machine. I want to see something. Hold on. Is it possible for you to add a virtual machine while it's, like, in a state of pause? Like, wouldn't that be weird, but also kind of cool? No, that's 98 plus. We need 98 standard. But we're going to keep the format. And we are going to copy over SE's. We're running 9 minutes. So that's shorter than our original time, which was 40 minutes. That's not good. 98 SE. Yep, that's fine. That's completely cool. And is it connected? Connect. And what we want to do is want to have computer. Want this. Everything's hidden. And we are going to plop every single bit of Windows net. Well, actually, I think only the tools, this add-ons are necessary. So we should be able to just copy. That was a bit of a weird hiccup, but I mean, if we need to, then we could just get rid of the SE sound. So hopefully, we just shut down Windows 9 XP, and we could just return back. If that provides an issue, we could just restart, reboot, go back there, and then just resume. Well, that's fun. So apparently we can't start when the disk has been modified. That's fun. So hopefully nothing bad has happened while that occurs. And apparently Windows 98's floppy disk decided to pop up, but yeah, that shouldn't cause any issues, right? Well, hopefully not. Yes. Uh, yeah, just do you just accept that? We had one hardware skip. Alright, yep, that's fine. Okay, just, okay, browse. That's what we want. Windows 98. That's what you want? You okay with that? Okay, it's fine. It found everything. Cool. So what we need to do is we need to grab. And I think we don't need the ISO anymore. So we can just use the 98. Unless what happened here was that the FE. Jesus. Alright. I don't think we're having any issues. That's fun, actually. It's significantly shorter. And we're just doing this whole install. It's gonna make me scared because and I think that's pretty much it. Floppy. And I think that's it. Unknown device. Default monitor. So we already know what to do with this. That's a bit faster, but that's completely fine. And we are going to delete Win98. Yes. Tools, drivers. I think those three would be fine. But Windows 98 is definitely not one that we have, that we can afford. So, while that's happening, I am going to copy over my CD-ROM driver ISO so that we can actually get CD-ROM support so that we can actually install some more drivers. Because sadly, and I have to say this, it seems like Windows 98 forgoed with the CD-ROM when we hit 32 bits. So we're just gonna hit CD-ROM. We're gonna do that, and we are going to run in MS-DOS mode. So of course, I always forget to connect the A drive, which is going to allow us to run CD-ROM completely installed, and now we can just do that. This is not a bootable disk. Yes, I understand that, and now I have to disconnect. It seems like it detected the D drive. Kept that. That's cool. And yes, the 98 drive is here, which means now we can just ejecto. Well, no, we don't really want to do that. We want to have. Well, actually, we do kind of want to eject that because we want to have sound. So we are going to go here and we are going to we are going to CD DVD and we are going to settings and we are going to grab 98 sound connected. Okay, now we are going to copy and paste. It's right over here. Just gonna throw that out. Yep. Yep. Oh, whoa. It found it. Alright, you know what that means? We're gonna swap back to our the fuck? Uh, you do have it. I think it didn't understand. Shit. There might be a file missing, but I don't think that's necessary. This is going much smoother than an upgrade fest. Yes. And here it is. We have sound, and now it's time to check it again. And install VMware tools. Of course! Of course I forgot. Oh, we got two. But that's completely fine. I deleted it, and it's fine. I forgot. Whoopsies. Alright, when 2K... Alright, we're just gonna open it again. That's not the 98 disk. We're just gonna eject it. We're just gonna shut down completely. And we're gonna power it on again. And we're gonna get that error again. That's completely fine. That's my error. Okay, there we go. That's what we want to see. What do you mean setup was only find the package? There, there it is. That's the one you were looking for. Sure. And we are going to unstretch it. Well, actually, I kind of want to stretch. Get stretches. And here it is. Wait, is it not stretch? Is it? Does it stretch? Do I need to activate it? Hold on. Because I think it needs a little bit of. Doesn't like that, but there it is. There's our display. That is 98 fully installed. And we might as well connect to the internet to signify this being online. Yep. Alright. We are finished. We are kosher. And now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later. Peace.